Hey guys, I wanted to pop on here and create a soft glam look perfect for Valentine's Day using my Too Faced Italian Spritz palette. I realized I bought this palette and kind of forgot about it, so I kind of want to get back into it and start creating different looks with it. So let's dive right in. Switching over to voiceover, so starting off by prepping and priming my face with the Lancome Teint Idole foundation and concealer. Then applying some About Face eyeshadow primer to the lids. Time to go in with my eyeshadow palette, but first an obligatory sniff test. Okay, I'm going to start off by going in with Lake and Bake and using that as a foundational base shade. Then I'm going in with Gelato and concentrating that on the outer edges. You gotta love these names. And for me, I think when I use colors like red and pink, I think to soften up and make the look more wearable, I like to mix in some browns. Okay, time for the fun part. I'm going to go in with Mamma Mia, which is this beautiful pink shimmer shade, and applying it with my finger for maximum effect. Okay, now I'm going in with Gelato again and concentrating that on my lower lash line to create more congruency in this look. Okay, time to line my eyes. So using my Clinique Pretty Easy liquid lining pen, drawing extended wing because as I mentioned time and time again, this is probably the most flattering shape for my monolid eyes. Okay, minor gripe I have about this palette is there's no shimmery highlight shade to highlight my inner corners, so I had to go in with my Fenty Beauty highlighter. So highlighting the inner corners and my brow bone. Okay, now going in with my Urban Decay 24/7 liner pencil and stash and just tracing over the lines to soften up the look. Okay, time to work on them lashes. So using my Shiseido eyelash curler, giving my lashes a nice little curl. Okay, now I'm going in with the Lancome Hypnose waterproof mascara and giving my lashes a nice little boost. Okay, I've said this before, but the Too Faced Mary palette has an awesome built-in blush, it's called Candyland, and an awesome built-in highlighter. They should totally release those as separate items because I think there would be a big demand for them. I also decided to go in with Too Faced Mary palette Winter Wonderland and using that to highlight the inner corners, the brow bone, and I also applied a bit on my nose. I decided to go in with my Too Femme Hardcore lipstick today because I wanted to go with a lighter, pinkier shade as opposed to my usual chocolate lip. And again, layering on top of that my Lancome Lip Gloss to create a glossy look. Okay, so this is a finished look, and yes, I changed into a nice pink pastel top that I think goes with this whole soft glam Valentine's Day theme. Yes, I'm kind of trying to channel J-Lo at Golden Globes this year. I thought she looked very beautiful in that whole pink themed outfit. And all in all, I actually really like this palette. I agree with the reviews that I've read and seen online where these shadows perform really well. The shimmers are very pigmented in contrast to a lot of other Too Faced palettes. And this shade is very beautiful, the one I use, which is Spritz and Glitz. And the only criticism is I wish there were more highlighting shades I can use, like for my inner corner, like I didn't have to resort to the Fenty Beauty highlighter. But all in all, I really like this palette and I'm excited to create more looks with it. And I actually went to Italy recently, so this kind of reminds me of the trip. But anyways, I hope you guys have an amazing day and a wonderful Valentine's Day.